Good morning to you all. See, previously we discussed about nomenclature and the bond length of alkyl halide, that is haloalkane. See, now we'll move on to the preparation of haloalkanes. How to prepare haloalkanes by different methods, right? So the first comes from alcohol. So alcohol வந்து haloalkane எப்படி prepare பண்றது? அப்புறம் next பாத்தீங்கன்னா you will have from alkenes, then halogen exchange reaction, then comes Hunts-Dicker reaction. So these are all the different methods from that we can able to prepare haloalkane. Okay, so first let us start with alcohol. First we have to convert the alcohol into haloalkane. Okay, so haloalkane இருந்து from double bond we have to convert to the single bond, that is the alkane group. So alkene ல இருந்து alkane convert பண்ணணும் first. Next step வந்து actually இது எப்படி நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா with the reagent like hydrogen halide, phosphorus halide, thionyl chloride. Okay, so இந்த reagent மூலமா நம்ம alcohol alkene convert பண்ணிட்டு then we have to convert it to alkane, haloalkane. See here the reaction is ethanol எடுத்துட்டு அதோட HCl போட்டோம்னா then we get in the presence of anhydrogen chloride we get chloroethane, okay, with the elimination of water molecule. Now this mixture of corn, hydrochloric acid and then anhydrogen chloride, this mixture is said to be Lucas reagent. Okay, the name of that reagent, mixture of corn HCl and then anhydrogen chloride, is said to be Lucas reagent. And here the order of the reactivity of haloalkene with respect to the acids with alcohol is in the order of iodine. We all know it is in the order hydroiodic acid or else hydrogen iodide is more stable when compared with hydrogen bromide, then with hydrochloric acid. Okay, so now tertiary is more reactive when compared with secondary, which is more reactive when compared with primary. Okay, so next with phosphorus halide. With phosphorus halide, like phosphorus pentachloride, PCl5, PCl3. See, these are all the alcohol that react with the phosphorus halide, that leads to give the product as chloroethane. The reaction is given as follows. Then next with thionyl chloride or else sulfonyl chloride. Here alcohol on treatment with thionyl chloride, in the presence of pyridine it forms a chloroethane with the elimination of hydrochloric acid and then sulfur dioxide. The name of the reaction is said to be Darson's halogenation. Okay, the reaction pair on the Darson's halogenation. So next from alkenes. From alkene, the alkene that react with the halogen acids like HCl, HBr, HI, that leads to give haloalkane. So the reaction takes place with respect to the Markovnikov's rule. We all know Markovnikov's rule means negative part of the addendum that adds on to the carbon bearing least number of hydrogen atom. Next from alkanes. Here from alkanes that react with the halogens in the presence of UV light to form haloalkane. Now this reaction is a free radical substitution reaction. Now it leads to give the mixture of mono, di or poly substituted haloalkane. Okay. The example is methane on react with UV light. It leads to form methyl chloride or else chloromethane. Then with further reaction, it leads to form dichloromethane, and on further reaction, it leads to form chloroform or else trichloromethane, which on further treatment, it leads to form carbon tetrachloride or else tetrachloromethane. Now comes the halogen exchange reaction. Here the reaction, first reaction is said to be inconstant reaction. Here what happened is that chloro or bromo alkane on heating with corn concentrated solution of sodium iodide in the presence of dry acetone that leads to form iodoethane, two carbons, so it is ethane with elimination of sodium iodide. And here this reaction is said to be Finkelstein reaction and it takes place by SN2. The SN2 means substitution nucleophilic binuclear reaction. Next comes the Schwarz reaction. Here in Schwarz reaction, chloroalkane or bromoalkane on heating with metallic fluorides, it gives fluoroalkane like that is the reagents like silver fluoride. Here let us take an example. Bromoethane on reaction with silver fluoride, it leads to form fluoroethane with the elimination of silver bromide. Okay, here this AgBr gets removed and this fluorine attached to this, so that we are getting the product as like. Next, from silver salts of fatty acids, this reaction is said to be Hans-Sticker reaction. Here, silver propionate on reflux with carbon tetrachloride, it leads to form bromoethane with the elimination of carbon dioxide gas and silver bromide. Now, here another example, silver propionate bromine on refluxing with the carbon tetrachloride, we get the product as CH3CH2Br and CO2 gets removed here. From this CO2 is removed and then one AgBr, one Br attached to this Ag so that it is eliminated as AgBr, right? These are all the different methods of preparing haloalkane. So first we'll start the alcohol. So first alcohol பார்த்தோம், அதுக்கப்புறம் alkenes, then halogen exchange reactions, then Hunt-Sticker reaction. Okay, so these are all the different methods of making haloalkenes.